Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Lens and pointing at the text you want to copy. Make sure your phone is steady and the text fills the frame. Once Lens detects characters, it outlines them. If detection is slow, toggle the text mode or switch to the photo you already took. Once you see the highlighted text, tap the area to lock recognition. This tells Lens to focus on characters rather than objects. From here, you're ready to refine selection and extract exactly what you need. Next, refine the selection so you copy only relevant lines. Drag the blue handles to expand or shrink the highlighted area. You can also tap words to select a specific phrase. If the text is skewed, use the crop or rotate options before selecting. Once highlighted, Lens shows actions like copy, translate, or search. Choose copy. If you need the whole page, you select all. This step ensures you capture exactly the characters you want and avoid extra clutter. After tapping copy, switch to your destination app and long press to paste the text. Once pasted, proofread for OCR errors. If you prefer verification, use Lens Listen or Translate features to confirm pronunciation and meaning before pasting. If characters are wrong, retry with better lighting, higher contrast, or a closer photo, and make sure the font isn't too decorative. If persistent issues occur, restart the app or use Google Photos Lens on a saved image to get a cleaner extraction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.